Yes, you can. But there's a twist: understanding wire transfers with Novo. Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of money movement, specifically focusing on a question many of you have been asking: can you receive wire transfers with Novo? Now, for those unfamiliar with Novo, it's a popular online banking platform designed specifically for freelancers and entrepreneurs. It offers a sleek app, seamless integration with popular business tools, and competitive fees. But with the rise of remote work and international collaborations, the ability to send and receive larger sums quickly becomes crucial. So, does Novo fit the bill? Let's unpack the world of wire transfers first. Imagine needing to send a hefty payment to an overseas contractor, or maybe your grandma in another state wants to bless you with a big birthday surprise. Traditional bank transfers can take days, even weeks, to clear. That's where wire transfers come in. These are electronic transfers that zip funds directly between banks, typically within a single business day. Speed is their key advantage, making them ideal for urgent or time-sensitive transactions. But with this speed comes a price tag. Wire transfers usually incur fees on both the sending and receiving ends. So, the big question: how does Novo handle wire transfers? Here's the exciting part: yes, you can receive wire transfers with Novo. No matter if it's domestic or international, Novo happily accepts these incoming transfers. They even provide you with all the necessary details, like your routing number and account number, to make the process smooth for the sender. But here's the twist: while Novo allows receiving wire transfers, they don't currently offer the option to initiate domestic wire transfers directly from your Novo account. This might come as a surprise, considering the platform caters to a business-oriented audience. So, what are your options then? Don't worry, Novo has you covered here too. They've integrated with a popular money transfer service called Wise. Through Wise, you can initiate international wire transfers at competitive rates, all within the Novo app. This makes Novo a one-stop shop for most of your money movement needs, domestic ACH transfers being completely free with Novo, and international wires handled efficiently through Wise. Now, the question of why Novo doesn't currently offer domestic wire transfers is a valid one. There could be a few reasons. Since they target freelancers and entrepreneurs, ACH transfers might be sufficient for most users. ACH transfers are generally cheaper and perfectly suitable for recurring payments or domestic transactions that aren't time-sensitive. Additionally, focusing on core functionalities like seamless app experience and business-centric features might be Novo's current priority. Whatever the reason, understanding your options is key. With Novo, you can receive both domestic and international wire transfers, and for sending international wires, Wise integration offers a convenient solution. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.